Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to add an author column to your posts in WordPress. In this tutorial, you will learn how to make a simple change to your dashboard that can greatly help you manage multiple contributors on your website. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the WordPress homepage. As soon as the page loads, direct your attention to the top right corner where you will find the login option. This is your gateway to accessing the back end of your website. Clicking on login will prompt the system to present you with different ways to authenticate your identity. Once you have clicked on the login option, you will see the option to continue with Google. This approach provides a streamlined and secure method for logging in, as it leverages your existing Google account information. Simply click on continue with Google and then choose the Google account you wish to use. After selecting your account, your login process will be initiated and you will soon have access to your WordPress dashboard. After you have successfully logged in, your next step is to navigate to the section where you manage your posts. From the dashboard interface, locate the area designated for posts. Typically, this can be found by clicking on the Post button in the left-hand menu or by selecting the corresponding link on your screen. This section displays a list of all the posts published on your website, giving you a centralized location to manage your content. With your post list now in view, focus on finding the screen options that are typically located in the top right corner of the page. The screen options panel is a powerful tool that allows you to customize which columns appear in your post list. It provides a convenient way to toggle features on or off based on your preferences. Click on screen options to reveal a set of checkboxes that control the visibility of various columns. Within these options, search for the setting that allows you to display the author column. Activating this feature will add a new column to your posts list that shows the name of the person who created each post. This addition is particularly useful if you have more than one contributor, as it offers a quick reference to the authors behind your content. To enable the author column, simply check the box that corresponds to this feature. After you have turned on the author column, the final step is to click on the Apply button. Clicking Apply confirms your choices and refreshes the post list so that the author column is now visible alongside your other post information. You will notice that this change immediately enhances the administrative view of your posts, making it easier to quickly identify the creator of each article. This completes the process for adding an author column to your post listing in WordPress. Following these straightforward steps has allowed you to customize your WordPress dashboard in a way that can simplify content management. Enjoy the improved clarity and efficiency now available in your post section as you continue to build and manage your website.